Right, hello everyone. Just bought a television. It's a small one. Bought it for the motorhome. I'm not sure if it's too small. There's a lot of packaging. I'll show you what it's like. Here it goes. Where are we? No, it's not that one. Not that one. It's that one over there. What do you think? I'm not sure if it's a bit too small. There's a hell of a lot of packaging though for it. But it'll do, I suppose. They do say it's got full HD, but they actually recommend a pair of binoculars. so I'll have to try that. Anyway, what do you think? Funny thing, the television's stands bigger than the television. Oh well, just shows you can't believe what you read on the catalogue, can you, necessarily? Perhaps it's really for a really tiny camper van. But anyway, although it's got some benefits, for example, when it does give up the ghost, you can put it in an envelope, send it to Lapland, Father Christmas in Lapland, and all these little helpers can put it all back together again, and then perhaps the following Christmas send it to some unsuspecting 8-year-old who will think it's marvellous. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.